In this video, I will show you how to fix the annoying something went wrong error on Spotify so you can get back to your favorite music in no time. This error often happens because of a bad cache or a simple connection glitch. The first thing you should try is a basic restart of the application. Completely close Spotify on your phone or computer and then open it again to see if that clears the issue. If that does not work, the next step is to log out of your account. Go into your settings, scroll to the bottom, and hit the log out button. Log back in with your credentials to refresh your session. Another common culprit is a cluttered cache. In the Spotify settings menu, look for the storage section and select the option to clear your cache. This removes temporary files without deleting your downloaded songs. If you are using a web browser, try clearing your browser cookies or disabling any ad blockers that might be interfering with the player. Sometimes your internet connection is the problem, so toggling your Wi-Fi off and back on can help. If all else fails, you should uninstall the app and perform a clean reinstall. This ensures you have the latest version with all the bug fixes. Following these simple steps will usually resolve the error and restore your listening experience immediately. Thank you for watching this guide, and I hope these tips help you solve the problem quickly so you can enjoy your music today.